Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 3 for CBSE board. Chapter number 4 Quadratic Equations. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 4.1. Question number 2, third. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. Okay. Now, when you want to solve this type of examples, read question properly and find the what conditions. Okay, and then write what equations. Okay, now try to understand solution. Let Rohan's present age be x years and therefore mother's present age is x plus 26 years. My first condition. Okay, then 3 years from now Rohan's age is equal to x plus 3 and mother's age is equal to x plus 26 plus 3, that is x plus 29 years. And then by given condition, what is the condition given? The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360, and therefore by given condition the product of their ages is equal to 360, and therefore x plus 3 into x plus 29 is equal to 360. Okay, simplify this, and therefore x square plus 32x plus 87, this you simplify means simply you multiply this, is equal to 360, and therefore x square plus 32x minus 273 is equal to 0. Now then you split up, actually you are splitting one middle term, but while you are doing now you are splitting this third term. So split this term, constant term, minus 273, such that subtraction, this side is important, subtraction is equal to 32. Okay, now minus 273 you split up in this way, 3 into 91, when number is large that time you factorize, 3 into 91, so 3 into minus 3 into 7 into 13, and here 7, 13 and what 7 both are what prime numbers, so further factorization is not possible, and hence here you select the what number, arrange the what number so that you will get subtraction is equal to 32. So 39 minus 7 gives you 32. Now this is a larger number, middle sign goes to larger number and adjust this sign according to this product. So this is a negative product and this is positive, and therefore this is negative, because positive into negative gives you negative product. Okay, and therefore x plus 39 and what x minus 7, these are two factors of what this equation. Okay, now in this case one thing you remember, when the coefficient of x square is equal to 1, then you directly write down these factors. Okay, and therefore x plus 39 is equal to 0 and x minus 7 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to minus 39 and x is equal to 7. Now the x are what ages, therefore ages are never negative, and hence x is equal to 17, 7, x is not equal to what, 1 minus 39, x is equal to 7, and hence Rohan's present age is 7 years. Okay. Question number 4. A train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay. Now you know if the speed is what decreased, then obviously time taken to travel particular distance is what more. Okay. So this thing you remember here, and now try to understand solution. Let present speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Distance traveled by train is equal to 480 kilometers. So you know formula, time is equal to distance upon speed, and therefore time is equal to 480 upon x hours. Suppose this is equation number 1. And then if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, that is speed is equal to x minus 8 km per hour, then time taken is equal to 480 upon speed x minus 8 hours. So this is equation number 2. And now then this find the relation between these two, that is very important. Okay. Now here this is the speed, this is the time when speed is what less, and this is the time when speed is large. So this time is less and it is by 3 hours. Okay. And therefore write your equation properly. And therefore by given condition, time required is 3 hours more than when speed is x minus 8 km per hour, and therefore 480 upon x minus 8 is equal to 480 upon x plus 3. Okay. So then this you simplify, transfer this on this side. So 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x is equal to 3. Then add this. My denominator is x into x minus 8. So I multiply by x here and multiplied by x minus 8 here. So x into 480 is equal to 480x minus, now here minus sign is outside, so inside signs are changed, and therefore this is equal to minus 480x plus 8 into 480 is equal to 3. And therefore this and this get cancelled. 8 into 480 is equal to 3x square minus 24x. And therefore 8 into 360, I mean 160, is equal to x square minus 8x. Now here I divide throughout by 3. Okay. And therefore x square minus 8x is minus 1280 is equal to 0. This you simplify properly. Okay. And now this is a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation. So minus 1280 split up such that subtraction is equal to 8, that is 32 and minus 40. Okay. So subtraction is equal to what? 8 minus 8. Okay. And now therefore x minus 40 is equal to 0, or x plus 30 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 32. So speed is not negative in this case, and therefore speed of train is 40 km per hour. Okay. Then try to understand one new topic, factorization method. So factorization method, you know this method, you have learned in 9th standard. So split the middle term. Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. So equation is this: x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. Try to understand solution. Given x square minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0, split up minus 10 such that subtraction is equal to minus 3. Okay. Now therefore you know minus 10 is equal to minus 5 into 2, and minus 5 plus what, minus 2, it gives you, plus 2 gives you minus 3. Okay, subtraction is equal to what, 3. And now then write down x square minus 5x plus 2x minus 10 is equal to 0. Make two groups. From this group you take x common, x minus 5, plus here you take 2 common, x, and what, minus 5. X minus 5 is again common. So take x minus 5 common. In second bracket x plus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 5 and x is equal to minus 2, and therefore the root of the given quadratic equation are 5 minus 2. Okay. So today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.